There's some repairs being done to the bridge. It's not open to the public again yet though. Obviously some more work to be done. The condition of the bridge, even before the vandalism, is deteriorating. You can see the wood's quite rotten in places. Looks like quite a lot of it needs to be lifted up and replaced. And over here there's a nest with a coot sitting on it. He's got some babies there. I can't count how many. I can just about see the little heads popping up as the parent bird's feeding them. Very quiet in the park today, and chilly also after several lovely summery days. Today it's chilly again. Oh, here's a coot coming back, look. Is he bringing something fresh for the nest? Looks like, I don't know what that is. Is it a feather? A bit of dry grass? I'm not sure. Heading to the nest. Determinedly swimming along there. Bringing back another treasure to decorate their home. This is a different coot's nest. I can see one chick scooting around, two adults. Oh, two chicks. There's another one in the foliage. Only two. Go around to the other side, see if we can see a bit more perhaps. Oh, there's one on the bank. Oh no, back in the water. Mum obviously doesn't trust us. She's seen the dogs, I think. Back to the safety of the water. Oh, there's a third one through there, so that's three babies. Just through the trees. Don't know if you can see that. 3 babies anyway, at least. These new shrubs are only planted in the autumn. Looking good, aren't they? I think they look good. Some more on there. Some Canada geese having a bath. Oh, and look at those rhodies in flower. Aren't they magnificent? Pink and orange. A soft, pale salmony orange. What are you fighting over there? Canada geese scrapping. Where's it gone? That one's completely dived under the water. That's something you don't see very often, is it? Canada geese diving under the water. I'm getting quite feisty, this lot. It's quiet in the park today. It's a bank holiday, but there's not many people about. Those that are about seem to be enjoying themselves. Oh, aren't they pretty? Look at that. That's a treat for sore eyes, isn't it? Oh, there's more as you come round the corner. Aren't they gorgeous? They are lovely. Little robin down there. Wood pigeon over there. Rock pigeon there as well. Just listen to that bird song. You can hear traffic in the distance. Well, actually, it's not too far away. But listen to that bird song. This little woodland copse wasn't planted too long ago, and already it's becoming an urban haven for wildlife. What have you found, Jim? He's baptising everything, as he tends to do. A magpie up there, a couple of blackbirds. There's some long-tailed tits up there. When you consider that Birkenhead town centre is about a 10-minute walk away, it's really quite special, isn't it? You can hear a wren somewhere not too far away. And there's a jay. It's been mobbed by a blackbird. There's a long-tailed tit. I think that's what it is anyway. I'm not an expert. Oh, the jay's got a baby bird in its beak. That's what the uproar's about. Oh, they're all mobbing it, trying to get the baby bird off it. Oh, what was I saying about nature being brutal? I don't know if you can see that for the branches. You can hear the uproar, surely. Red in fang and claw, right? Absolutely. Just look at these baby coots. There's one over there with the parent, 3 by the branch in front of me with a mallard, and across here is another parent bird and another baby near the back. If you're wondering why the park's so noisy today, it's because we have the Race for Life on. So there's a couple of thousand people dressed in pink raising money for charity, having a race. Oh, look at these. How's that for another kind of a race for life, eh? So the park isn't so peaceful today, but you know what? It's once a year. We can deal with that, can't we? There's room for everyone in this world. Isn't that adorable? Look at those two stood on that branch, side by side. Isn't that so sweet? And yeah, I've got them with me. Rosie and Jim. Come on, let's go a bit further then, babies. Bit of good news, the repairs to the bridge have obviously been completed. Let's go and have a look at what they've been doing. We've missed this walk, it's one of our favourite bits. Nice view over the water. Rosie and Jim keeping me company, of course. Oh, there's lots of repair work taking place. The new wood is easily identified by its difference in colour. I don't know why it took so long. I really don't know why it took so long to do. Oh, look at the algae in the water. Oh dear. That's looking a bit messy, isn't it? Lack of oxygen, I guess. It's looking lovely, isn't it, though? Come on. Oh, I wonder if you can see that on camera. If you look across the Romanesque boathouse, there's a whole family of coots under the watery arch. Don't know if the camera will pick that up. I've discovered this camera has absolutely no zoom on it, so I can't even see what I'm filming. You just press go and hope for the best. There's a little squirrel across there saying hello. Let's go and say hello back. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Or Mrs. Squirrel. Oh, not feeling sociable today, huh? There's not many people in this part of the park today. Most seem to be watching the race. Or maybe they haven't worked out that this part of the park is open again. I don't know. Nice to see one of my favourite trees hasn't fallen in the water yet. Isn't that gorgeous? It tickles me how that tree has managed to defy gravity. Isn't that amazing? At some point it's bound to fall in, isn't it? But meanwhile it's absolutely gorgeous. You alright, Rosie? Hear the birds singing. Early summer, late spring blooms are still going. Lovely broom there. I do like broom. It's too big for my garden though, but I love the shade of yellow. Gorgeous, vibrant yellow. What's this in bloom over here? Oh, look at those lovely irises. Oh, they're quite gorgeous, aren't they? White with a yellow splotch. Aren't they lovely? I like some of those in my garden. I want to introduce more white into my garden. This is the Swiss bridge, in need of a lick of paint by the looks of it. But thanks to the Conservative government, budgets were cut to the absolute bone and then some. And you wonder why public services have suffered. They're blaming it on minority groups. Look to the people that made a mess of the economy. Oh, here's a bunch of people running over there for the race. Well, jogging anyway. Oh, let's get down these steps. Lots of people jogging about. There's people in pink across there jogging for the race for life. Raising money for cancer research. They have to pay to take part in the race, and then they seek sponsorship. It's a 4K race. There's also a 2K race for those who are not quite so able. You can run it if you want to, or you can walk it. It doesn't matter. You can see people jogging away there on the other side of the pond. Well, good for them. What can you do but give them a bit of support, hey? People of all ages and all abilities joining in. That azalea's gorgeous, isn't it? Or is it a rhododendron? I always get rhododendron, rather. I keep calling them rhododendriums, which is not quite right. I know what I mean, anyway. Big plant with big flowers. They've got a bad reputation because they self-seed readily. That's looking pretty, isn't it? The flowers, I mean. Now they are azaleas, I think. And a nettle. Hey, nettles have their uses too, you know.